Maria was born with a deformity in her left arm. She is one of the first chosen to test a new model of prosthetic implant at the Italian Institute of Technology in Genoa. Later, she teamed up with the group of researchers working on the device as a design expert. Hands are one of the most complex parts of the body. Reproducing their natural architecture is fundamental to designing prostheses capable of improving the lives of people living with deformities or amputations. The prosthetic hand being tested by Maria is delivering performances close to those of a human hand. Soft Hand Pro is a European open hardware project designed for grasping and soft manipulation. The idea was to produce a simple, lightweight, affordable robotic prosthetic implant which wouldn't break the bank for most customers.
The hand is flexible and adaptable. It's a kind of relief for the person who uses it because you can have a personal interaction not only with the prosthetic hand but also with people. Let's think of a caress, for example.
The clinical application has been developed in collaboration with hospitals in Zurich and Hanover. At the heart of this type of prosthesis, there is the so-called muscle memory, which governs most of our movements.
Our way of interacting with the environment is not only linked to the neuron cells in our brain, but also linked to our whole body, both the intelligence that's in our brain and the one which is in our muscles, through our nervous system and our sensors.
Researchers have conceived a system of having a number of joints close to that of a normal human hand, able to adapt grip and force to the object's shape. Sensors read impulses from the muscles on the skin surface where the prosthetic attaches to the arm and use them for the control mechanism.
This very complex architecture is managed through the use of a single motor that coordinates the movements of all the finger joints, and it's allowed us to greatly simplify the hand control.
The synergy required by the human hand to grasp common objects can be approximated by a few coordination patterns. To simplify the complexity of the controls, the prosthetic hand employs a very small number of synergies to produce the movements.
The soft synergy is a coordinated movement of the joints of the hand, and this has basically allowed us to create a robotic hand, which is able to imitate more than 50% of the movements of the human hand.
Maria has made an important contribution, both for the design of the prosthesis and the user experience. This is a very sensitive area, as in general the psychological rejection rate for artificial limbs is still high. How could this hand improve your life?
Definitely. The natural agility of this hand and the flexibility of the fingers invites us to play with it, to deal with it, both on our own, but also in relations with others.
Maria will have a chance to use the whole set of robotic hand features at the next Cybathlon in Zurich, a competition where people with disabilities compete in everyday tasks using their state-of-the-art prosthetics.